Now, in our previous lesson, we learned about the demand curve. It looked something like this. And we had named it DD0. Now, this demand curve was telling us what the quantity will be at a particular given price. So Q1 here, if the price was P1, according to this graph, the quantity would be somewhere there at Q1, whatever the numbers would have been, right? Now, if the price went down to P2, this is our new price. Now we go to P2 and we find the corresponding quantity from the curve, and we say the new quantity demanded would be Q2, meaning the price went down, the quantity has increased as the response to the reduced price. Now, let's say this was a car and there were only two cars in the world. This is a VW Polo. Now, if we say that we are not changing the price of our VW Polo, according to this graph, the quantity should stay the same at Q1. But what if the price of the other car in the market, the Mitsubishi, which is a competing product with this VW Polo, has gone up so high it has become unaffordable for most people in the country? This used to be the competing car for this product that we are depicting here. Now it means that all the people who used to buy that car are going to move over and start buying this one. But we haven't changed our price, right? So our price is still at P0. But what we are saying now is that people are going to start demanding more. So we're not going to be meeting here anymore. The price and quantity is not going to be meeting here at Q1, but the quantity will increase and it'll go to Q2. Basically, this will create a shock in the system. Things are not going to be the same anymore. So we have an external shock, an external impact. Even though we have kept our price the same, we have a new quantity demanded. Now, even if we were to move our price down to P2, yes, our quantity will increase. It would have been here, but it will be a bit more than that at another point. Further than where it was. So it means that at any given price, we now have higher quantities demanded. That means we can be able to draw a new demand curve, DD1. This process has shocked our quantities to higher levels at any given price. It means we have had a shift in demand, unaffected by the price of our own product. This is called an outward shift to the right of the demand curve, and it's mostly caused by factors outside of this particular product. So in this particular case, a competing product has become unaffordable. This product has become the only option that people have. So most people who actually want to buy cars will buy this one. Now we have a new demand curve, and this is how we have moved from DD0 to DD1.